So what that told me is you are a left brain, right brain practitioner. The left brain is that very logic, reason, chess master almost guy driving it, but you are really driven on purpose. You've got values and you want to help people express their values to help grow their business. Do I have that right?
Yes, yes. The term that I've got in my brand is heart-centered tactician. Let's take these values. And I will also tell you that there might be some value-driven small business owners, but they really don't understand it. They don't have a definition of what their values are. So really getting clarity around those values and why those values are important. Everybody's a little bit different. That's fine. We have a little exercise where we go through 5 because you can write your stories around those 5 values. The thing I really moved into is this generosity concept, because generosity in itself is a differentiator. It's the umbrella that you can put over the top of everything you're doing in your organization and make it better. It's like that sauce that makes everything taste better. So when you're generous, and a lot of people jump into money right away, but there's a lot more ways to be generous than just money. You've got time and treasure and talent. And if you're generous with your time, helping somebody, there's an appreciation and a gratitude that comes along with that. If you're generous with your talent, there's an appreciation and a gratitude that goes along with that. If you're generous with all 3 of those, same thing happens. And you differentiate yourself from the rest of the market, because the rest of the market looks at it more from just a profit-driven perspective.